Today we're going to be working with the FreeScan Combo, a metrology-grade handheld scanner by Shining 3D, offering two light sources, infrared Becel and blue laser. The FreeScan Combo is adept at acquiring high-resolution scans with 0.02 millimeters accuracy, and frankly, it's one of the best scanners I've ever used. We'll be taking an in-depth look at blue laser scanning and looking at the three different modes of operation that we have available to us when scanning in blue laser mode. So, single line scanning for getting deep hole data, 7 parallel lines for acquiring fine detail, and 13 pairs of diagonally crossed lines for acquiring a whole lot of data all at once.
Okay, I'm going to switch over to single line scanning, which will allow me to collect deep hole data. And since there are quite a few robust cavities in this engine block, see if we're able to dig deep and pick up the details from within. And the laser that's emitted from the FreeScan Combo is eye-friendly. Just about ready to flip the object. But I can see on the screen, because I have a data quality indicator on, I can see that I'm actually picking up more data as I go around the object. Blue, of course, is indicating that I've collected a sufficient amount of high-quality data. The yellow-green color means that the data is incomplete. So I want to get it as blue as possible, but I will be doing multiple passes.